Do you qualify for the DraftKings and FanDuel gambling addiction lawsuit? Have online sports betting apps taken over your life or the life of someone you care about? You're not alone, and today we're breaking down what you need to know about the lawsuits involving DraftKings, FanDuel, and other gambling apps and platforms. By the end of this video, you'll understand the key eligibility factors and what steps you can take if you've been harmed. The increase in app-based betting. Online sports betting has exploded in popularity over the past few years, with platforms like DraftKings and FanDuel dominating the market. But as these apps became more accessible and more aggressively promoted, a growing number of people developed severe gambling addictions, often without realizing how quickly things were spiraling out of control. The lawsuits allege that these companies intentionally designed highly addictive systems, encouraged compulsive betting, and failed to put real safeguards in place to protect users. There are also claims that these platforms use targeted promotions and push notifications to keep vulnerable users betting longer and spending more. In this video, we're focusing on civil claims cases brought by individuals and families seeking recovery for the harm they've suffered. Do you qualify for the DraftKings, FanDuel, or other gambling platform addiction lawsuit? Eligibility often centers on a few key questions. First, did you develop a gambling addiction after using DraftKings, FanDuel, or another online betting app? Signs can include excessive betting, chasing losses, an inability to stop, a level of betting that caused serious personal, financial, or emotional consequences. Second, did the platform contribute to or worsen that addiction? This could involve things like constant free bet or boosted odds promotions, personalized notification pushes, rewards or loyalty programs that encouraged non-stop betting, app designs that made losses feel smaller than they were, features that made it easy to deposit money repeatedly with little friction. These are some of the behaviors that are central to the claims being brought forward. Third, did you experience measurable harm as a result of that addiction? This harm may include significant financial losses, credit card debt, loans, drained savings, or asset loss, issues at work or school, strained family relationships, emotional or mental health impacts, treatment or therapy related to gambling addiction. Even if you're unsure whether your situation qualifies, having any of these experiences may be enough to start the conversation. Who qualifies for the lawsuit? Anyone who suffered significant financial, emotional, or personal losses due to gambling addiction stemming from sports betting apps, including DraftKings, FanDuel, or any other online gambling platforms, may qualify for this lawsuit. This includes individuals who were encouraged to gamble compulsively through constant promotions, notifications, or features designed to keep them betting. Young adults are especially impacted. If you're in your late teens or 20s and found yourself drawn into compulsive gambling through these platforms, you may have a strong claim. And importantly, if you began gambling while underage using any of these apps, you should contact our firm immediately. Underage access is a major issue at the center of these allegations, and your experience may qualify you for legal action. If you want to find out whether you're eligible, you can call TorHoerman Law or visit lawyer.com and use our confidential chatbot. It will walk you through a few quick questions and help determine whether you may qualify for the gambling addiction lawsuit right away. How do I prove I am addicted to gambling apps? You might be wondering what kind of evidence is helpful in a gambling addiction case. Some examples include bank or credit card statements showing betting-related transactions, screenshots of your betting history inside the app, account records from DraftKings, FanDuel, or other platforms, emails, texts, or notifications you receive from the platform, notes from therapy or counseling sessions, your personal timeline of when the gambling behavior escalated, medical records, witness testimony. Don't stress if you don't have everything. Our law firm can help gather the documents you need. TorHoerman Law Gambling Addiction Attorneys. At TorHoerman Law, we approach these cases with compassion and confidentiality. Gambling addiction is real, and the people affected deserve support, not judgment. Our firm has extensive experience holding large corporations accountable when their products or platforms cause harm. When you reach out, here's what happens next. 1. We walk through your betting history, the timeline of your addiction, and the harms you experienced. 2. We help determine whether you may have a claim, explain the legal process, and outline what your case might look like. 3. There's no obligation, and the consultation is completely confidential. Before we wrap up, remember that nothing in this video is legal or medical advice, and contacting us does not create an attorney-client relationship. Lawsuits and regulations evolve over time, so be sure to check our website for the most current information. If you'd like to learn more or speak with our team, visit TorHoerman.com. And if you found this information helpful, feel free to subscribe for more updates on major litigations and legal news. If gambling addiction has impacted your life, you're not alone and help is available.